Hello and welcome back to How Logical. Today I'll be guiding you through how you can use zoom filter on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to use zoom filters, first sign into your Zoom. You can go to zoom.us on your web browser or simply open your application and sign into it. As soon as you do that, you'll see a settings button. Simply click on the settings button and in the left hand side menu, you'll be able to see background and filters. Select it and your camera screen will pop out. Click on video filters and you'll be able to see lots and lots of filter options. Select the filter that you want and it will be applied to your video. Some will change the theme, some of them will change the picture effects, while some of them will add stickers and filters on your video. If you don't want to put any filters, then click on None. After you set a particular video filters, click on the cross button and next time you join a meeting, you will appear with filters on your video. That is how you can add filters on your Zoom. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.